So Black Friday 2023, whilst most e-com brands fighting scraps in crowded inboxes, one of our clients pulled in over 130k just from 5 email campaigns alone. And the kicker is we did this entirely through Klaviyo email marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking, Tom, email's dead, everyone's focused on ads. Well, I'm about to show you why that's complete nonsense. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how we engineered this full Black Friday, Cyber Monday email marketing massacre, step by step, email by email. This is a real case study with real numbers, right? We're just going to show you the case study on the screen now. So if you're ready to see what's possible when you execute a Klaviyo email marketing strategy flawlessly, buckle up. I'm about to show you how to turn your email list into a Black Friday money printer. Let's get into it. So let's just go through the data. They done around 1.6 million in the month of November, 740k coming from email alone, 44% of that as a percentage, right? Campaigns around 400k total revenue and 340k coming from flows. Let's just go down to the actual campaigns and we can see, of course, when we started this Black Friday launch. Now, we actually launched on the 22nd of November, going through some value packs, ideas for the campaigns, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but I just want to show you the data from just the value packed campaign alone. This wasn't even sales based, brought in 10k from that. Then, of course, we done a Black Friday hype on the 23rd of November, not even announcing the sale. I'm going to go through this with you as well. That brought in 18k alone from that. Open rates really healthy, click rate decent. The real money dropper was around 24th of November. That done around 60k. That was, of course, the main Black Friday deal. And again, you can just see the open rate and click rate on that as well, looking really nice and juicy. To add to this, of course, when it came to the 25th, so the day after Black Friday, we bridged the gap and a 15k total revenue from that. And then also done the Black Friday sale coming to an end on the 26th, just before Cyber Monday. 17k shown here. Now, there was additional revenue coming in from, of course, the dates shown here, which was, of course, Cyber Monday. I'm going to show you the Cyber Monday sale as well. So let's just go through the actual design and show you the full strategy rather than talking about numbers and figures. So as you can see, this was a total of 130k just from Black Friday alone. This isn't even including the data shown on, of course, the Cyber Monday emails. Again, value-based one for the first one. We've just gone through this. What I want to do is actually show you the email campaigns. And if you stay with me as well, I've got something in store for you at the end of this video. So 20th of November, this was a campaign just talking about cold therapy and really just giving them the benefits of the product, not being too punchy here, just educating really heavily on the benefits of the product. Of course, you can see how it helps with anxiety, boosted energy, clear mind, and better sleep. Those are the staple USPs that we've seen from the data that, of course, convert the most, right? So we've used pre-existing data to get a good gist of what actually makes people tick and become a paying customer. Then when it came to the 23rd of November, we basically just built curiosity on the actual sale product. So this was one of their pods. It's literally their most best-selling product, and they've never actually put this on sale before. So we basically said, we've got some amazing news for you dropping tomorrow at 10 a.m. Something that has never been done in the history of Lumi. And since you're a part of the Lumi community, you get first dibs, right? So really just building that curiosity and also just showing that we really appreciate customers in the email list as well. So of course, we just gave them a little bit of a preview and said, like, watch out for tomorrow's email. Literally, that was what brought in 10k, that email alone, right? 24th of November, for the first time ever, and for 3 days, I only get 35% off Recovery Pod Max. So a little pre-launch as well for the main product. And the first 100 customers will get a free pair of our Premium Pro bamboo socks. So we really layered this incentive with sort of subsidiary offer as well. And of course, just really going about the product, right? Plus receive these extras included. So like extra layers and sort of ways in which you can make the overall perceived value of the product look a lot more appealing. Utilize this when it comes to Black Friday period. Just give stuff away that's really low ticket, that complements your product to make it seem like they're getting a really good deal, right? Then of course, 25th of November, this is Black Friday. The sale started now. This is your one shot to get 35% off the Recovery Pod Max. Deal ends tomorrow night, 35% off. Okay, so really just adding scarcity here, showing the benefits, showing influencers using it, social proof as well. Really just going hard with all different angles we can within this sale period. On the 26th, the day after, of course, Black Friday, we just said like last call, ends tonight, and really just going hard with, of course, the sale. Now, one thing I want to point out, and something I would always do when you're doing a sales-based campaign, just have the call to action button be the offer of the email. So if your advert have like 20% off or get free shipping, put that as the call to action button. Because sometimes, even if you do put it in their face, obviously with us, we make it bold and prominent in their face. But sometimes, customers skim through it and they only see like shop now. If you put get 35% off, they know instantly there's an offer, right? Cool. Anything else to really add to this? I don't think so. Just talking about more USPs of the product. Again, just different different angles that we've gone about. So this is more feature based versus benefits. You really just want to hit all sort of angles that you can that would of course convert a customer. That's the Black Friday strategy. Now a little bonus for you as well. Cyber Monday, we just said dive into Cyber Week, and rather having it as Cyber Monday, it was Cyber Week. So really maximizing the sale. Now when it comes to having a Cyber Monday sale, you really want to go hard and actually push the boundaries and make the offer even better than Black Friday. Now the reason you do this is because 90% of people just look at Black Friday and they think this is the best offer they're going to get. So people really just push the boat and spend as much as they can on Black Friday. When you want to maximize profits and make the most out of this sales period, have an even better incentive or offer for your Cyber Monday period, which for us was just an additional 5%. Okay. And of course, when you do this, make sure you exclude people who bought from you on Black Friday. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of returns and refunds. So make sure you exclude purchasers in the past 7 days or more. Okay. That's pretty much it. We literally do the same sort of methodology of the Black Friday strategy in terms of highlighting the different USPs. The only other thing we did here was go more heavy with like comparison price. So we just show how much you're actually saving on these products. And of course, this is a different line of product. If you notice, this is the ice bath and also the ice barrel. Before it was just the ice recovery ice pod. Okay. So that's pretty much it. There's not really too much else to go for. I think that's pretty much the gist of it. Now, if you do want to get access to all these emails that I've just shown you here, I'm going to put it in the link of the description. You can have full access to this entire template for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And all you need to do, if you want to just, go ahead, use these templates, copy them and just go on a different Figma board, paste them into your own personal Figma board, and then you can go ahead, tweak it, customize it, or do whatever you want with it. Okay. That's it. Let me know if you've got any questions. And of course, I will see you on the other side. So there you have it. The complete breakdown of how we generated. Well, I did say 130K in 72 hours, but to be honest with you, over that period, we're probably looking at around 220K. I just didn't want to include Cyber Monday as I really just want to focus on Black Friday for the main purpose of this video, right? So you might be thinking, Tom, this is a great idea, but can my brand really achieve these results? And my honest answer is it depends on whether you're willing to put in the work and execute on a bulletproof strategy all by yourself, or partner with someone who lives and breathes Klaviyo, because let's face it, Black Friday is the busiest time of the year. Have you really got that time to allocate to it yourself? And you don't want to be doing this when you've got other areas to scale within your brand. So that's exactly where we come in. We come in to, of course, get you guaranteed results and, of course, get you that big uplift that you're looking for. So here's what you got to do. Just literally click the link in the description below, book a free strategy call with our team. On this call, we'll dive deep into how we can actually go ahead and get results just like this, not only for Black Friday, but for the entirety of Q4 and so forth. Okay. So don't wait. Black Friday might seem far away, but the brands that start preparing now are the ones that will dominate when the time comes. So click that link, book your call, and let's start planning your Black Friday period together. And of course, thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time.